In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Sora 2. By the end, you'll know how to turn a single image and a well-written prompt into scroll-stopping videos that you can share on social platforms and monetize once they gain traction. First, open Sora 2 and upload a picture. Pick an image with a clear subject and strong contrast so the motion stands out. Think a person, product, or scene with a distinct focal point. Make sure you have the rights to use the image, especially if you plan to monetize. This keeps your content safe to publish across different platforms. Next, write a prompt that can spark a trend. Be specific about the vibe and motion you want. If you're aiming for viral, focus on a bold idea people can recognize in seconds. Describe the mood, the camera movement, the setting, and any stylistic cues like cinematic lighting or playful animation. Short, vivid directions usually work best, and clarity helps the model stay consistent across multiple variations of your idea. Choose your orientation. Portrait is the go-to for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts because it fills the screen on mobile. Landscape is better for widescreen displays or traditional YouTube uploads. Picking the right format upfront saves you from awkward cropping later and keeps your subject framed correctly. Set the duration. Short, tight videos, often 5 to 15 seconds, perform well on short-form platforms since they loop easily and encourage replays. If you need more room to tell your story, you can go a bit longer, but keep the opening second punchy. That first moment is where you win attention, so make sure your subject, movement, or text hook appears immediately. Click Generate and let Sora 2 do the heavy lifting. When your video is ready, give it a quick review for clarity, pacing, and readability. Subtle adjustments to the prompt can shift the style or motion if you want a slightly different look, and consistent formatting will make your post feel like part of a series. Upload your video to the social platform you prefer, TikTok, Instagram, or anywhere your audience spends time. Add a concise caption, relevant hashtags, and, when appropriate, trending sounds that match your concept. Encourage viewers to follow for more in the same style, and keep your thumbnails and titles aligned with your hook, so people know exactly what they're getting. Once your videos start trending and you build a following, you can monetize. Depending on the platform, that may include creator funds, in-stream ads, brand collaborations, or affiliate links. Requirements vary by region and platform, so check the guidelines and choose the options that fit your content and audience. That's the process. Simple, repeatable, and built for momentum. Now it's your turn to create, post, and grow.
Good boy. Spin. Down. Play dead. Yes. Ready? Catch. Nailed it. High five. Good job, bud. Okay. Good boy.